Thinking of diving into cybersecurity but not sure where to start? Trust me, you're not alone. Cybersecurity is booming, and there's never been a better time to get in. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly what you need to know before jumping into the world of digital defense. No jargon, just practical steps. Let's get started. So, what is cybersecurity really? At its core, it's all about protecting computers, networks, and data from digital threats. Think malware, ransomware, phishing, and denial-of-service attacks. Cybercriminals are always coming up with new tricks, from social engineering to brute force attacks. That's why cybersecurity matters, and why there's such a demand for people who can stop these threats. And the best part, there are tons of free and affordable resources out there: YouTube, blogs, Coursera, and more. So, getting started won't break the bank. Now let's talk about the educational part. Here's the good news. You don't need a computer science degree to start learning cybersecurity. While a bachelor's degree can help, it's not required. What's way more important is understanding the basics, things like how computer networks operate, how different operating systems work, and why protocols like TCP/IP, DNS, and VPNs matter. You'll want to get comfortable with tools like Wireshark and Nmap, and start exploring Linux if you haven't already. There are great simulators and tutorials online for this, and a little hands-on practice goes a long way. Programming might sound intimidating, but stick with me. Knowing how to code isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a serious advantage. If you're brand new, start with Python. It's beginner-friendly, widely used in cybersecurity for scripting, automation, and analyzing threats. Other good options are Bash, and even a bit of JavaScript. You definitely don't need to be a master coder, but understanding the basics will open up so many doors, from automating boring tasks to building security tools of your own. But here's something a lot of people miss: cybersecurity isn't just technical. It's about mindset too. You need to be analytical, a real problem solver, and always curious. Threats evolve fast, so thinking critically, learning on the fly, and collaborating with others are just as important as technical chops. Whether you're breaking down a security incident or explaining risks to a non-technical teammate, your communication skills matter. Remember, cybersecurity is a mindset, not just a skill set. So how do you actually get experience? It's not just classroom theory, you need real-world practice. Internships and apprenticeships are huge, and you can find them in almost any sector, from government to nonprofits. Get your hands dirty with projects, try running vulnerability scans, practicing penetration testing, or joining hackathons and competitions. And here's a tip: put your work on GitHub or LinkedIn to showcase what you can do. Finally, don't go it alone. The cybersecurity community is one of the best parts of this field. Join forums, attend meetups, and get involved with professional groups. Networking will help you stay up to date, find mentors, and land opportunities you never expected. Plus, there are so many flexible, affordable learning paths in 2025 courses, boot camps, certifications, and more. Ready to take the first step? Check out the beginner's guide at Consilien.com. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell to stay updated on all things cybersecurity. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your journey.